Hi, my name is Raj K, and today I'm going to be teaching you about strings. So, what a string is, it's like just a bunch of characters to make a word or something like that. So, one example is string str equals, you have to use these double quotation marks when making a string. Hello. So, this is how you make a string. And if you want to print out a string, you have to do system.out.println str. Now when we run this, in the console box, it'll print hello. So the next thing we're going to learn is substrings. So here I've typed up a few examples. So we made a new string and we set it equal to str.substring of 1. So what that means is that it's going to start from the index of 1 of str. So the indexes will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's how it's counted in Java. So it's going to take it from the E to the O. So it's going to take this, LO. And then for str3, we made a new string, and it's the substring from 1 to 3. And that's going to include the starting index, but it's not going to include the ending index. So it's just going to print out EL, because it's just 1 and 2, not 3. So it's going to print out hello, then it's going to print out LO, then it's going to print out L. Over here. So this is str, this is str2, and this is the str3. So the next thing we're going to talk about is concatenation. Concatenation is pretty much combining strings. So over here we have str equals hello, str2 equals world. So the first one, it says string str3 equals str.concat str2. This just means that it's going to add str2 to the end of str. So it's going to be hello world. The next example shows the same exact thing happening, except we're not using the concat function. So it's string str4 equals str plus str2. It's going to do the same thing. As you'll see, I'm printing out both strings. They'll print out both the same thing. So now we're going to talk about something a little bit more complicated. Strings are something called immutable. Like whenever you change another string, it's not going to change the original string. But this is weird because that's not how it works with objects. Let me show you an example. So over here I have object A equals new object 0. I made an object class saying, so this is the constructor, this is just assigning the number, this is just returning the number, and this is changing the number. So object A is an object with a number of 0. Then I made an object B equal to A. Then I said I changed the number of B to 2, and then I printed out a.getNum. So you would think that would print out 0, but since B was changed, A was also changed to 2. So however, it's not the same with strings. So over here I said str equals hello, str2 equals str, and then I changed str2 to hi, but whenever I print out str, it's still hello. It doesn't change like other objects do. So here's some other methods that go with strings in Java. The first one, str.char@. So this is saying str.char@2. So it's going to take the second position, the second index. So in strings it goes H is 0, E is 1, and L is 2. So this character A will be equal to this L. So we're going to print that out. Next one is index of. So what index of is it searches through the entire string and it goes until it finds this. This could be a string, but in this case it's a character. So it's the letter O. So where is it? It's going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth position, so index will equal 4. And for finally, length, str.length just returns what you think it would, the length of the string. So this one, it does not start counting from 0. It actually says what the length of the string is. So this is 5 letters long, so length will be 5. So as we said, this is L, index will be 4 because the letter O is at index 4, and the length of the string is 5.